There's something about the 2026 Corolla Cross. It shows up ready. Built for the in-between hustle. Coffee-fueled mornings, late-night brainstorms. This is the kind of ride that keeps pace. It's for the doers with deadlines, the dreamers with budgets, and the lives that don't pause between milestones. With 6 grades, 3 gas, L, LE, XLE, and 3 hybrid, S, SE, XSE, there's a version for every kind of ambition. No overstatement, no underdelivery, just real-world flexibility. Style to keep moving. Corolla Cross moves with purpose. Compact in footprint, confident in feel. Gas or hybrid, Corolla Cross is built to stretch fuel, grip pavement, and still keep things fun. Hybrid grades are ready from the start, featuring a 2.0-liter Toyota hybrid system, 196 net combined horsepower, standard electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, sport-tuned suspension, and an EPA estimated 42 miles per gallon combined rating. Gas grades deliver reliable performance with everyday practicality. A 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and 169 horsepower, available all-wheel drive for real-world flexibility, and an up to EPA estimated 32 miles per gallon combined rating. Corolla Cross is rated to tow up to 1,500 pounds. Ideal for lightweight gear like bikes, kayaks, or small utility hauls. Everyday versatility delivered without fanfare. Clean lines, confident stance. A few design choices that say, not here to blend in. Available 18-inch alloy wheels with premium finishes. Dark gray metallic on XLE. Glossy black on hybrid XSE. Optional power moonroof. And power liftgate. Fresh two-tone color options that add contrast where it counts. Cavalry Blue is now available on Corolla Cross in single tone or two-tone. Each grade brings its own flavor. Gas LE and XLE stand out with a sporty front grille. Hybrid SE and XSE go cleaner with a color-matched design. Fresh enough for first impressions, functional enough for long weekends. Corolla Cross doesn't just look good, it works hard behind the scenes. Everything inside is built around flow, comfort, and flexibility. Redesigned center console, standard rear vents, plus rear armrest. Comes standard with a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, or the available 12.3-inch display. Available dual-zone climate control. Heated front seats, plus heated steering wheel available. Qi-compatible wireless charger. Up to 4 USB-C ports. 60/40 split rear seats. Built for weekend hauls or last-minute runs. The kind of space that makes multitasking feel effortless. Stay synced without missing a beat. Toyota Audio Multimedia brings intuitive control through a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 10.5-inch display. Toyota's audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Available JBL Premium Audio. 9 speakers plus subwoofer and amplifier turns detours into destination playlists. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in cabin. And even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Additionally, select Corolla Cross grades includes trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Smart, streamlined, and designed for the always-on generation. Confidence doesn't just ride along, it's built in. Every Corolla Cross comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Available blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking. Smart safety that is designed to help keep the journey moving forward. Corolla Cross doesn't try to be everything, just the right thing for right now. Every new Corolla Cross comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance. And 2 years of unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Corolla Cross's electrified confidence follows with an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first. And a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. Call it a crossover. Call it a catalyst. Just don't call it average. Explore more at Toyota.com.